we have some of our own products, and one of the really popular ones is Jethro's Mongrel Hot Sauce. It's the first in what will be a range of Jethro Mongrel products. There will be Jethro Mongrel Cajun sauce, Jethro Mongrel pepper sauce, there'll be the spices, there may even be some liquid smokes, etc. But let's see where it goes. We couldn't wait for it. We've been using this morning on our Aiken and Brie fed rolls. It's a hot, but not overly hot sauce with a lot of flavour in the real Louisiana style. Probably about the heat of Tabasco, but a different flavour and a lovely flavour, and very economical.